Okay, so here is my Mixpresso, and we'll go back here. It is plugged in, has water down in there, and the water will not come out of there, and I think we figured out it's because it won't heat. So I guess we just wait and watch it not work. This portion will not heat at all. It's almost like it burned itself. It kind of like snapped, like a sizzling sound. And when that happened, like the whole thing stopped getting hot at all. So I was a little worried about a fire, but I really like this coffee maker. So I'd be willing to try another one and hope there is no fire. As you can see, it's on. Nothing will happen. Still no heat or steam. And this doesn't get hot down here either. Yep, still nothing. There you go. That's how I had no coffee this morning. Thank you for your time.